Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Living Crafty and Cozy. This is the front yard DIY Halloween prop episode. So I wanted to show everyone how they can do some DIYs with some Dollar Tree table covers. Our first DIY is my jack-o'-lanterns that I had gotten from the flea market. On a previous video, I showed everybody all of these really great jack-o'-lanterns that were really cheap. They were kind of faded and orange before, and I just spray painted them black and dry brushed some gold on there, and they look super scary. My DIY spider is just two planters that I taped together in the middle and then rolled the table cover over them and glued some googly eyes. Next, my witches are a clear plastic mask that I glued onto a clear plastic container. I got two floorboards that I glued together, and then I fixed the clear plastic container with the witch's face to those two crossboards. Somehow glue, tape, however you can get it to stick. Threw in some fairy lights into the container, and then I put on a table cover, a spooky cloth, and then I just threw on a finishing touch of a red crocheted shawl, and then went on the wigs and the hats, and my witches look really awesome. Next is the cauldron. It's just a galvanized tin I had laying around. I filled it, dummied it up with some planters, threw a blue table cover over that, and then filled tails, some large bones from Dollar Tree, some eyeballs. Really, really wonderful in between the two witches. We threw up lights all over the place. We backlit everything, and then we threw in some lights into the cauldron as well so you could see everything really well at night. And my husband bought a projector, and that's what you can see going on in the window there. Everything came together really nice. I hope you guys liked it. Until next time.